Hey guys, hello. Of course, welcome once again to Forex Network. Okay, actually, today is gonna be a very special day in the sense that actually we made a what's it called? A challenge which we are currently on. So if you're not part of the challenge, that means you're not yet a member of this channel. That means you haven't subscribed to the channel, you haven't been notified. So please do where to actually click on the subscribe button. But before you do that, let me tell you something. Actually, on the challenges, we will be growing the smallest account you have into something meaningful. So the challenge is what we tag $5 account to $50 account in 1 month, or $10 account to $100 account in 1 month. That's the challenge we're actually on. So I'm sure everybody can fund at least $5 account, or you can fund $10 account, or you can. In fact, that's the maximum one. So want about $10 to see the challenge retail trade actually go to. How really does it? How can you build up your trading account? Because a lot of message I get is, please, can you help me build up my trading account? I've bought my account. It's mean just $2, meaning $3, meaning $4. Like I'm like, okay, if I should do that for everybody, I can't be the only one, like trying to build up your account. So I'm going to tell you each trade I'll be taking on this particular account, why I'm taking it, and what are the lessons we learned. If you have any loss on this account, I'll tell you what are the lessons we learned from it. Actually, we agreed we should be doing $5 account. You should have a minimum of $5 in your account. That's what this strategy is for. So if you know you want to join this challenge, actually today you're the first day. So I've taken today's trade, and this is actually 8:55 p.m. So I've taken today's trade. I'll tell you how the trade went and what happens and what we're gonna do next. So let's see how this goes. And remember, if you fund this $5, if you fund this $10, it should be an amount which you're willing to lose, because I'm not guaranteeing it, because $5 is damn somehow small. And again, I would suggest you actually use my broker, because my broker you have high leverage, which means that your $5 can open at least a good lot size. At least not all broker allows you to trade with $5 account, but with my broker you can open a $5 account. So if you want to open your account, the link to my broker will be in the description. And of course, if you want to join my the Telegram for the let me use WhatsApp for now to make it easier. If you want to join the WhatsApp for the $5 account to $50 account, the link also will be in the description. There I drop every trade I'm taking, why I'm taking it. So if you want to be part of any of these of this platform, just check the description. The information will be there for you. Okay, actually earlier today I funded, let me go over here. Earlier today, I funded with $7. This is actually a new account. I funded with $7, and after funding with $7, first I took a trade on Euro USD. Of course, if you're part of my channel, I gave a breakdown of why I took the first trade on Aussie dollar. I thought you'd be trading a less volatile account with the Aussie dollar. So I took the trade from, let me go to an hour time frame. When the market started today, I waited for it. Remember, I've already analyzed everything. If you've not watched my analysis, you can just check it out. So everything will be in the description. You can check the analysis on my previous video. So when the market started earlier today, I took the trade on Aussie dollar, and of course I took the trade from somewhere. Okay, I took it from around this particular account, as you can see right here. So when I took the trade there, it went in my favor. Then it had a draw down here, which almost got to my entering, and of course it went back. So let me move that first. When it actually got back, to this particular level, when this particular candle closed, okay, let me move this too. Sorry, I need something. Okay, let me do that. Okay, when this particular bullish bearish or bullish candle actually closed, so what I did was I wanted to actually add another trade to it, because remember I told that if you're trading and you see let me say your trade is already in profit, and you see another signal in your favor in the same direction, go do it to stay the trade, and of course move your stop loss from where it was into a break-even point. Initially, when I took this trade, my stop loss was actually at this level. When I took this first one here, my stop loss was at this level, and of course my take profit is still there. Those of you that follow the channel, you know where I said you put your stop loss and your take profit. Then what do we do next? Afterwards, when I actually add this dog down, then this continue. I move my stop loss from this level, then put it right here. I think it's still there. You can still see it. That's where my stop loss is. So afterwards, what do I do next? I want to open what? To open another trade, because I noticed that AUD is actually a less that I can compare to the euro dollar and the pound dollar. So I felt instead of opening on the Aussie dollar, let me go to euro dollar. And of course, I went to euro dollar. Let me show you what happened there. So when I got to euro dollar, remember I somehow correlated with the Aussie dollar. But what really happened was I didn't really wait for the confirmation candle to close, because I felt that since it was in correlation with this, so it's gonna be the same thing. So what I did was, let me delete this first. After these two candles rejection here, I saw this particular candle. It almost got to this level. It was still bullish. That was almost this is an hour candle, because I use the hour for entering my chart. I used 30 minutes and the 1 hour. So when it got to this particular level, what I did was I entered the trade. I put my stop loss at this previous low right here, because I felt this already. Let me remove this so I can see very well. If you look at it properly, let me remove this. Then, okay, let me use this instead. If you look at this particular one properly, this is a rejection, there's a rejection. So this third one actually formed down. Let me move this to you. This third one, this long week, I was already at this level. So I felt like it's going to close bully, because that was almost, let me say 58 minutes. I'm just 2 minutes to an hour. So I entered the trade, and of course my stop loss was below these previous ones there. And what happened next, in less than 2 minutes, I opened the candle again, and of course, what was already fully bullish, instead the mistake we made was we didn't wait for it to close bullish before entering this particular trade. That was where we made a mistake. And of course, when we entered the trade, when we opened the trade next, this actually came back and got us out of this particular trade. But that notwithstanding, we are still on our main trade, which is the Aussie dollar. I told you that was the main trade, the main signal which I give the Aussie dollar. So that's still running properly, and we may take care of adding another another trade to it. Remember I told you that when you see a good one, you enter. So why will you be adding another trade now? Remember we had actually a drawdown at this particular level right here. We had a drawdown there. Then this candle with a rejection here. Now we can see a bullish candle. Remember, before doing this analysis, so we are expecting the boost to be in charge of this particular market. So since we are expecting the boost to be in charge of it, so we are only looking for buy trade, except our analysis, our confidence is searching the bearish signal. Then we can start looking for sell trade. Otherwise, we are still going to be on buy trade on the Aussie dollar. So what we're going to do now, we are going to enter another one. Let me enter again. Just watch. I'll be entering another one. Remember 0.01. And of course, I will still be moving my stop loss. Since I'm entering again, that means this is my stop loss too. That is there. I will move it down to this level. This other stop loss too will come to this level. So that means we'll be using, let's use this particular week. That's 0.8. Please use a round number, is better. Okay, let's use 68700. So 68700. Let's move this stop loss to 68. To 68700. Okay, that's done. Oh, sorry, this take profit. Oh my goodness, sorry. Oh shit, I don't take profit. Okay, let me just go back so I can start afresh. That was the 68700. 68700 already. So that's done for this. So let's go this through. 68700 done. And of course, our take profit is going to remain the same. Remember, I'm opening another trade because I have a buy signal here again. So that's why I'm actually opening this next trade. Remember, before we done our analysis, and we expect the boost to be in charge of this market. So that's why I actually open this next one. So have I put a stop loss for the new one? I don't think so. Let me check. Okay, I've put stop loss. Take profit I have not put. So let me check my take profit right here. This take profit is 69560. So let me do the same thing here. 69560. So let me modify it. Good. So that's it. Remember, our aim for this particular trade is to move this account from $5 to $50. So just follow up. This day one. Tomorrow is going to be day two. And of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to click the subscribe button. And very important, the bell icon beside, because that's what gets notified when we post our next video, and which will be tomorrow, to tell you how it's going. If you want to join the challenge, you can still join it. The WhatsApp will be in the description. But please, you have to make sure you fund the account with at least $5. Remember, you're trading yourself. A lot of people ask if they just send the money to me. No, please don't send the money to me. You'll be trading it yourself. So just fund the account with $5. And if you need a link to fund the account, I suggest you use the same link I'll be dropping in the account to create your account. If you have maybe issues creating your account, you can just send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be directly you can create your account. Because not all brokers are like to fund with $5. And even if you can fund with $5, you can't open some reasonable, you can't even trade the 0.01 lot with that $5. Like I said, you open with the broker, which I'll be giving in the description. Or better still, you can still come to the WhatsApp and drop your message. It'll be open for everybody to comment and drop the chat. So you can just send me direct message, and there I will help you to open your own live account so you can also trade along. So let's say this channel, let's see how it goes. Currently it's on $7. Remember, this is still a potential win. You can still end up losing it, but of course I've already closed some profits on this first trade. I've already closed some profit. This is the entry point, so I've already closed some profit. So even if this will go against me, I'll be losing this new one which I enter. That's it. And currently I think very soon both of them might be in profit. I don't know. So let's see how tomorrow is gonna be. Let me show you the take profits before we go. Okay, okay, today is not still showing here. Let's go to daily. Okay, so here is our take profits right here. So these are targets for take profits. But remember, if you see bearish, we continue trailing the stop until the market that grows and hit our stop loss, or hit our take profits. So that's it. So that's gonna be all for today. So definitely tomorrow, once again, we will come back online to get you notified or tell you how the trade is still running. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that. Click the bell icon and please share this video with your friends, mainly your trading friends, to make sure they can also join the challenge and get more information from this channel. So definitely we're gonna see you tomorrow. So bye. Okay, I'll be logging out right now.